Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, unless you lived under a rock today, I'm sure you were well aware that LK had some news. That news the market did not really like, and the price just got destroyed, and all this occurred on massive volume. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one going forward, myself included. And we'll see if there can be any more sort of tradable opportunities. Now, because of the big gap down and everything that occurred, what I'm going to do here is slide this all the way over here just so we can make the proportions a little bit easier to see as far as the movements to watch going forward. So there we go. So the first key level of support to watch going forward, and that a lot of people will be watching, is right here at that $6 mark. $6 is important because the price actually made a huge bounce in the morning and then pulled back and bled and bled and bled and bled. And the reason why $6 is important, nothing fancy, that's just where the bleeding finally stopped. And the other reason why $6 is important is, and I'm not saying this will play out, but if the price were to go down to 6, break below it, and then continue on down, well, all of a sudden at that point in time, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price essentially right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price can continue to do what it's already been doing by holding above 6, so the price comes down here and behaves like that, well, then at least at that point in time, you'd have a sign of power. And the power would be nothing fancy, but it would at least be a set of lows there, a set of lows there. And if you picture those as stair steps, well, at least you'd have, like I said, some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. But, $6, like I said, a whole lot of people are going to be watching that, both longs and shorts, and everybody in between, wondering if that's going to present some sort of, maybe short-sided trade opportunity to the downside. If the price does decide to bounce, then first key level to keep a close eye on, whoops, grab the wrong annotation tool there. First level to keep an eye on going to be right there at the $7 mark, and then if $7 can be broken, once again, which makes it pretty interesting, nothing really until up here around $8.75. So keep an eye on those couple levels going forward. But yeah, all in all, crazy day. Let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.